So we are out here in Shell Lake, Saskatchewan. We're doing it's a 6.5 kilowatt load, 6.5 kilowatt system. I'll flip the camera around here, guys, and I'll show you what we're working on. Tristan's here too. Hey, Tristan. So here we're mounting our flashings right now. We use flashings that well, I guess flashings is what we use. There are these new kind of rail systems that just mount directly on top of the shingle, but they just recently came out and they're not guaranteed waterproof, so we use flashings. This is guaranteed. Water comes down the roof and cannot penetrate the roof at all. Zero chance of that happening. So you're guaranteed a watertight seal with these flashing kits. We'll do it after video, but this is the before. So we got panels going, 12 going up, 6 on this side, and 6 on this side, I think is what it is. So kind of a unique install on this roof here. It's a 612 pitch roof. A bit more steep, but it works out nice. Hope you guys enjoy. Day number 2 here up at Shell Lake for this 6.6 kilowatt install here. So I'll show you the progress that we got going. So yesterday you guys seen we were just mounting and doing our layout for the solar panels, solar arrays. So you got the flashing kits all there, watertight flashing kits that we use. And then we have now our aluminum rail and APS microinverters mounted. These are the microinverters. I'll show you a closer look here. So you can see here with these inverters that we use, there is dual input. So you connect one panel here, one panel here. And these are Wi-Fi accessible. So you just get the live data feed off this antenna right here. That works out really nice. And they connect into this trunk cable. So this cable here connects into each microinverter. String them all together. Works out really nice. Logan and Hayden are working up here. Hey guys. Hey. So up here we're just doing a transition and connecting our transition boxes. Yeah. So we're wiring those. I can show you guys the electrical too, but I'll flip the camera around here. So what's going on here, Logs?
So this is the utility meter. This is the solar disconnect for microinverters. It's all AC down to this point. So from this point here is a 10-4 tech cable. So 2 conductors come into it, and 2 conductors go back up and down into the mechanical room. So instead of doing that, we're going to use 2 conductors to come off the roof into the disconnect, and then the other 2 conductors we're going to run down and into this meter. And we'll need a dual lug meter socket to be able to fit those onto there.
Gotcha.
And that is the utility side interconnection point.
We're doing this to make sure we're not backfeeding into the generator.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. You can see when we run the cable over, we use this nice thick conduit. Flux conduit, works out really good. Over here, we got our last of the 3 locations that we're putting panels. And one thing to note on this here, we still have to mount some rail. One more piece to cut here, final piece to cut. And this box is very, very important. So what this is called is a solar deck. And we are going to mount this, again, everything we use is watertight. So this acts like a flashing and a junction box. We put it underneath the shingles. So we'll go right underneath the shingles like that. We'll pop that shingle up, put it underneath. And we can run our cables from roof into here, connect the multiple strings of APS inverters, and then run them down. We're just putting the panels up now. The bulk of the work is done, which is the flashings, the rail, the inverter mounting, the electrical. So steady progress. You guys can see those panels are all mounted this morning. We got more coming over here. And we're gonna mount more here. Hey Tristan, we got more going on over there. We just finished up this install here. I'll flip the camera around and let you guys have a look. We got six 545 watt bifacial panels over there. You got 3 up on the front here, and you got another 3 over here. All in all, the install turned out really nice. Looked really good.